G'day and welcome back to the Autodata Training Workshop. Got another tech tip for you today on smart charging systems. These two alternators here, they operate very differently. This one here is the older technology one, and it's got a regulator in the back of it, and it regulates the battery voltage to 14 to 14.2 volts all the time. Alternators take quite a lot of load, and with the amount of electrical accessories in vehicles today, this alternator is working hard all the time. This one here, on the other hand, is computer controlled. It doesn't try to maintain a set battery voltage. It will let the battery voltage drop down a little bit, but every time you back off the throttle or put the brakes on, this one will put out a heap of charge. So it actually works hard when your foot's off the throttle. So that's great for fuel and emissions. That's just one way that modern vehicles are reducing emissions and saving fuel at the same time. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments section, or if you'd like access to our full Autodata Training library, why not get a subscription today? I'm Hatton, thanks for watching.